Honorable members, 21 notices have been received today on 5 different subjects under Rule 267. Since none of these notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules and the directions imparted by the Chair on 8th December 2022 and 19th December 2022, I am not admitting any of these notices. Now matters rise with permission. Professor Manoj Kumar Jha.
माननीय सभापति महोदय,
अशोक कुमार मित्तल,
मैं आपके माध्यम से एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय की ओर आपका ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहता हूं। माननीय सभापति महोदय, माहौल नहीं है, फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं।
This is not correct. You are getting into the well. I am not going to hear anything to you. None.
मैं चाहूंगा
None will be.
तमाम विद्यालयों
not at all.
प्रेयर में
Not at all. I am not going to encourage anybody who is getting into this.
वर्जन पढ़ाया जाए। प्रियम्बल इसलिए कि सर समता, समानता,
Nothing will go unregarded except the speaking up of Manoj Kumar.
भावों को लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए। इस भाव में अवरोधक बहुत है। आप स्वीकार करेंगे कि इस देश में सामाजिक सौहार्द, बंधुत्व और समता की बातें अपने न्यूनतम पायदान पे है। मैं माननीय सभापति महोदय, साथ ही आपसे आग्रह करूंगा कि एनिहिलेशन उसको सरकारी पक्ष को भी ये समझना होगा कि जब तक समता और बंधुत्व हम स्थापित नहीं करेंगे तब तक बहुत मुश्किल होगी। इस देश में विद्यालयों में अलग अलग जातिगत उत्पीड़न के केसेस हैं। वैसे माहौल में एनिहिलेशन ऑफ कास्ट, इन दोनों का समराइज्ड वर्जन लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाए। ये किसी भी प्रार्थना से मैं आपके माध्यम से आपसे अपेक्षित है मेरी बातें शोरगुल में मुझे फिर मौका दिया जाए।
Now, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittal.
धन्यवाद महोदय। आज मैं सदन का ध्यान एक ऐसे मैं सरकार से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो SIR के मुद्दे पे चर्चा के लिए
Nothing will go on record except Ajit Kumar. You sit in, no? Doctor. Next is Dr. Fauziya Khan. Dr. Fauziya Khan.
Sir, house is not in order. House is not in order, sir.
Fauziya Khan is not. He is speaking.
House is not in order.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak or not? You tell me. You speak.
Sir, I can't.
Why you are worried about them? You speak.
I cannot, sir.
Speak interfering, Why you are interfering?
Sir, we want to demand discussion on SIR. Please listen to that, sir. Please listen to our demand.
Kaushagan, you address to me.
On electoral reform.
You address to
sir.
me.
We need a discussion on that immediately. Sir, please take discussion on SIR. Everybody wants that, sir. Sir, everybody is protesting for discussion on electoral reform.
No,
We
now,
need that urgently.
Fishagan, you want to speak on the subject, you speak.
Sir.
Otherwise, I am going to call the next
Sir,
person. No, I am not going to listen to you. I am not going to listen to you other than the subject.
Sir, kindly listen.
No. Dr. V. Shivadasan.
Respected Chair, my topic is the attack of wild animal, but I believe the union government is trying to attack the voters and the people of the nation.
No, Sri.
Sir, this is the topic, sir.
No, Sri. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. Sri, I am going to call the next person. If you don't want to talk on the subject, I am going to call the other person. No, whether you have to stick to your subject or otherwise, I am not going to allow you to speak. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. You want to talk, you talk about the subject. Otherwise, I am going to call the next speaker.
So I am asking to you, sir.
No.
Take the initiative for the discussion on SIR.
No, not at all.
The wild animal attack is my topic. The government is trying to attack the people of the nation in the name of SIR, sir.
I am giving you the last chance.
Wild animal.
I am giving you the last chance. If you want to speak on this, otherwise I am going to.
I am telling wild animal attack is serious.
Vice Shri Birendra Prasad Vice.
Sir, thank you very much. I am here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, Tea community, to Jalkep, This community is indigenous tribe of Assam and they are the soil of the soil. Their demand is justified, so I am supporting their demand. I like to request to Jalkep of the these six communities of Assam. In the year 1968, sorry ma'am, excuse me. In the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note Binding, Gazette Note as a tribal community. Rights Timing Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status, sir. For this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, and Sikh community, their journey is very justified, genuine demand. They fulfill all the criteria to get the ST status, but it is dependent upon the willingness of government. Everything is dependent upon the government. So I humbly request the government to grant the status of the six communities of Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Sutia, and Sikh community immediately should get the tribal status, and I believe government will bring the bill in the present and this
Please conclude.
this bill will pass and this will get rectified, sir. Thank you.
Now, honourable members, on behalf of this House, I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Mr. Salva Papusilvi, Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on the visit to India as our honored guest. Parliamentary committee has come. You please sit on your. I am calling him. You let me complete this welcoming them. You ask them to sit all of you. You please sit. I am going to call. No. A delegation has come. I am going to read we are welcoming them. A delegation from Georgia has come. Let me complete. No, let me complete this. Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on a visit to India as our honored guests. We have strong bilateral relations with Georgia. The visit of Georgia parliamentary delegation will further strengthen our bilateral relations. The parliamentary delegation arrived in Delhi from Georgia on Monday, the 1st December 2025. They are now seated in the special box. They are scheduled to meet, call on various dignitaries in Delhi. Besides Delhi, they will also visit Agra before
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ఇందులో షార్ట్ న్యూస్, లైవ్ న్యూస్, ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ షోస్, మూవీస్, డిజిటల్ మ్యాగజైన్స్ తో పాటు మీ జిల్లా వార్తలను కూడా ఫ్రీగా చూడొచ్చు. ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, వెంటనే హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని ఫ్రీగా ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ పొందండి.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్.
ప్లీజ్ డౌన్లోడ్ హిట్ టీవీ యాప్.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ని ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
మీకు నచ్చిన ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ కోసం హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని ఆస్వాదించండి, ఆశీర్వదించండి.
ఇంతమంది సెలబ్రిటీలు హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి అని చెప్తున్నారంటే ఎంత మంచి యాప్ ఆలోచించండి.
అమెరికాలో చదవాలనుకునే వాళ్ళకి విశ్వసనీయమైన పేరు మన శౌర్య కన్సల్టెన్సీ.
UK లో 1 year masters, UK లో 1 year masters, 2 years work permit up to 5 years visa. Contact Saurya Consultancy.
Contact 89851 89851.